Okay, now we are going to study the traveling salesman problem. So let us see how to solve the traveling salesman problem. So one problem is given here. So traveling salesman has to be visit 5 cities. He wishes to the start from the particular cities, visit each city once and then the return to his starting point. Cost of the going from one city to another city is shown below. You are the required to find the least cost rate. So this is the given some element is there, the two city A, B, C, D, E, and here the from city A, B, C, D, E. This is the given questions. So let us see how to solve this one problem. First we have to check that step 1. Step 1, check for the balance problem or not. So number of rows is equal to number of column. See that here number of rows, this is 1, row 2, 3, 4, 5, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. So number of rows is equal to number of column. These both are equal. So this is the balance problem. After complete step 1, go for the step 2, row reduction. So this is the row reduction. See that here in this row reduction, in the given questions, this is the first row. For your kind information, I want to tell you that this is the alpha, here is also alpha, here is also alpha, here is also alpha, here is also alpha. This alpha element is meaningless. There is no any meaning of this alpha. So same this element alpha we have to copy here. Right. After that, see that this first row is least value is 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Right here is 2. Next here, see that here next 10 minus 2 is 8. Right here is 8. Next here 14 minus 2 is 12. Right here is 12. So here is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next here in this second row least value is 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Next this one is alpha. Here is 6 minus 4 is 2. Right here is 2. Here is 10 minus 4 is 6. Right here is 6. Next 4 minus 4 is 0. Right here is 0. Next here this is the third row. Least value is here is 8. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Right here is 8. Next 14 minus 8 is 6. Right here is 6. Here the alpha. And 8 minus 8 is 0. Right here is 0. Next 14 minus 8. This 14 minus 8 is 6. Right here is 6. Next the fourth row. In fourth row this least value is 8. So 24 minus 8 is 16. Right here is 16. Next here 8 minus 8 is 0. Right here is 0. Next 12 minus 8 is 4. Right here is 4. Next is alpha. This is the alpha. 10 minus 8 is 2. Right here is 2. Now in the first, this is the last row, is least value is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Here is the 6 minus 2 is 4. Here is the 4 minus 2 is 2. Right here is 2. Here is the 16 minus 2 is 12. Right here is 12. Then this is the alpha. Right here alpha. So this is the row reduction. After row reduction, see that the first column minimum value is 0. Here is also minimum value is 0. Third column minimum value is 2. Here the fourth column minimum value is 0. And the fifth column is minimum value is 0. So here, see that here, first column we are getting the minimum value is 0. So same value have to copy here in the first column, in the column reduction. So here is alpha 8, 16, 0. Now second column also we are getting minimum value is 0. The same value have to copy here the second column, 2, alpha, 6, 0 and 4. But the third column minimum value or least value is 2. So definitely 8 minus 2 is 6. Right here is 6. Next 2 minus 2 is 0. Right here is 0. Next this is the alpha. 4 minus 2 is 2. Right here is 2. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. Right here is 0. Now the second fourth column also minimum least value is 0. So same value have to copy here, 12, 6, 0, alpha 12. Now the fourth column also we are minimum value is 0, so same value 0, 0, 6, 2, alpha. So after column reduction we have to cut the maximum 0. So first see that this is the first row is only 1 0, but in this column 2 0. So cut this one column. Now second row here is only 1 0, and here the cutting this is the column, so 2 0 is cutting here. So now next third column only 1 0. Here is this row only 1 0 and column also 1 0. So you cut vertically or horizontally, no problem. So here is also 1 0, so cut like this one. Here is also 0, cut like this one. So see that here after complete this column reduction, so here the first go for the next step, check for the non degeneracy, number of cutting line. So number of cutting line 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number of cutting line is 5. Number of row is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 5. So number of cutting line is 5 and number of rows is 5. Both are equal. Then after this step, go for the next step, making the assignment. See that making the assignment, similarly here is alpha, right here alpha, here is the uncut number 2, 8 and here is also 2, 12, 6. So this is the in uncut number least value is 2, so 8 minus 2 is 6, right here is 6. Here is deleted number, so same value is 8. Here is also deleted number is 16, right here is 16. Here is 0 is deleted number, so right here is 0. Now the second column, the least value is 2, uncut number, so 2 minus 2 is 0. Here is alpha. Here is also 6 deleted number, right here 6. Here is 0 deleted number, so right here is 0. Here is 4 deleted number is 4. So now the third column, see the deleted number is 6. Here is the 0. Here is the alpha. And here also we are getting the deleted number 2, but we are getting the plus sign or intersection point. So 2 and plus 2, list value is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, right here is 4. And here also we are getting the plus point, 0 plus 2 is 2, right here is 2. Go for the next column. So here the fourth column, 12 is uncut number. So 12 minus 2 is 10, right here is 10. Next the 6 minus 2 is 4, right here is 4. Next here the 0 deleted number, same value is 0. Here is alpha, right here is alpha. Next the 12 is deleted number, same value, right is 12. Now go for the next last column, fifth column. So here we are getting the 0 is deleted number. Here also we are deleted number. So but here is the deleted number, but we are getting the plus sign. So 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2 is 8, right here is 8. Here is also we are getting the plus point. So 2 plus 2 is 4, right here is 4. Next this is the alpha. This is the making assignment. See here we have to understand making assignment. First see the first row. This is the first row. The first row is we have to assign the first 0. This one. In this row this 0 should be deleted and this column also 0 should be deleted. So come the second row. In this second row this one is 0, we have to assign this 0. So this row this 0 should be deleted and this column also there is no 0, so leave it. So now third row assign this one 0 and this 0, this row there is no 0 and this row there is no 0. So now go for the next row. In this row there is no any 0. So go for the next last row. Here is the 0, assign this one 0 and this column there is no 0 and this row there is no 0. Now see the fourth column. In the fourth column we have to follow the sum rule. Rule is that here first preference must be 0. It means that we have to give the first preference to be 0. Already we have to give the first preference to 0. Then after 0 the next preference 1 or 2. So here is the already we have preference the 0. but in this column we are not getting that. In this column, in this row, we are not getting the 0. Then we have to give the preference 1 or 2, but in this column there is no 1 or 2. Then what will we do? Then go for the next rule. If there is no other option, then select the next lowest cost in the matrix. So in this row there is no 0, there is no 1 or 2, so we have to another value, select the 4. So 16, 4 and 4. In this lowest value is 4, but here is the 4 list value. So see that here already in this column we have to assign this 0. So this 4 we have to not assign. So we have to assign this 4, and in this row this 4 should be deleted, right? And this column is there is no. So we have to assign the work. After complete this one, check for the condition is satisfied or not. See that A goes to B, A goes to B, then B should come here, B goes to C, then C, this C come here, C goes to D, and see that here D goes to E, and E goes to A. So this condition is satisfied. Condition is satisfied. So after that, optimal solution. Here is the optimal solution. See, here is the write the questions: alpha 12, 16, 24, 2, and here is 4, alpha 14, 8, 6, here is 10, here is 6, alpha 12, 4, here is 14, here is 10, here is 8, alpha 16, 2, 4, 14, 10, alpha. See that here already A goes to B, right here is B, then B goes to C, C goes to D, and D goes to E, D goes to E, and E goes to A. See that in this question A goes to B, this is B, assign the 4, here is 4, B goes to C, assign the 6, this is the C, 6, C goes to D, C goes to D, assign this one D, 8, right here 8. Next D goes to E, this D goes to E, assign to the 10, and then E goes to A, E goes to A is 2, so assign the 2. After adding this one, all value 6 plus 4, this one is 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 10 plus 2 is equal to 30. So rupees 30. So this is your answer. Thank you very much.